Tesla is going to ask shareholders to vote to authorize additional shares. This is a step that will enable the stock split, which was announced but not approved by the board yet necessarily, but that should be a rubber stamp too. Joining us now on the Squawk Newsline, Dan Ives, Managing Director at Wedbush Securities. Doesn't take much to get this stock to move higher, I guess. Should this be moving the stock 4 or 5%, Dan?
Yeah, look, I think this is something that's really just the start of investors really, viewing this not just as a positive move in terms of the stock split, but also increased confidence, I think, for Tesla in their business, for the rest of the year because of Berlin as well as Austin ramping. Stock split's been kind of rumored for the last 4 or 5 months. The fact they put it out there, I think this is going to be a massive catalyst for the stock over the coming months.
Last time it did pretty well, I guess. When was that? August of 2020, and it really shouldn't, but it does. It gets more people involved, and it typically a lot of times you see the reverse happen with a reverse split. But the stock went up for other reasons back in 2020, obviously, but it was in the midst of a 5-for-1 split.
Yeah, and since then, stock's about a 3-bagger from there, and I think what we're seeing, look, we saw with Amazon with the 20-for-1. We saw it with Apple, and I think now we'll see it again with Tesla, which will be their second stock split in a few years. But the stronger are getting stronger. And I think that's really what's happened with Tesla because of their manufacturing footprint. And there's a fundamental reason that I think the stock goes higher. But in terms of the stock split, that's also a tea leaf in terms of investors reading that their increased confidence in the business going into the rest of the year. They're not going to do a stock split if they feel like things are super negative. And I think you go back to the last one, and that was really just obviously a massive really start of what was a historic run.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.